name is Nicoya. I'm the creator and founder of Silky Sex, a luxury hair and hair care company. And today I'm going to be going over best practices on how you can take care of your tape and extensions. I'm going to be giving best practices on how to install, maintain, and remove your tape and hair extensions. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. You always want to follow the hair manufacturer's instructions. Whatever tips they give about products and shampoos and what it is that you need to do, definitely make sure that you go over the guide and adhere to it to get the most out of the hair. And although some people do DIY their tape-ins, this is not something that I would recommend as a best practice. I really feel like you should go to a licensed professional to get your tape-ins properly installed. It's really important to make sure that your scalp and hair are clean before any installation that you do. So whether it is that your hairstylist is going to wash your hair or you're doing it yourself, you definitely want to make sure that you have your extensions placed onto clean hair and most importantly a clean scalp. We recommend 2 packs of hair if you're just looking to extend your length, and 3 to 4 packs of hair if you want length and also to make your hair more voluminous and add more volume and density. Just keep in mind that tape-in extensions are a lot less dense than normal extensions that are on combed or wefted hair. So this is why you need more packs to get that fuller look if that's what you want to do. Make sure that you use heat protectant when putting any heat or styling your hair with any heating tools. Heat protectant is a must. And typically your tape ins will last for 4 to 6 weeks depending on how much styling you're doing, how much product you're putting in there, and how you maintain your hair. Always gently comb your tape ins from the bottom to the top, starting at the ends up into the roots. A boar brush or a wide tooth comb is best, and you definitely want to be really gentle when you are combing out and brushing your hair. You can potentially comb or brush out your extension and pull out your hair at the follicle and the root, and that is not something that you want to do because it could cause irreparable damage. So just use caution and be gentle and take your time when combing and styling your hair, especially if you're detangling. Use heat in moderation when you are styling your hair. Too much heat, especially over time, can damage not only your tape-ins hair, because this is human hair, but it also can damage your own natural hair. Always use a heat protectant. And when you're placing heat protectant or any product onto the hair, you always want to start mid-length and down, mid-length and down, mid-length, or even at the top or down, but just want to stay away from that bonding area and where the adhesive area is. You don't want to get any kind of product on that because it could take and break up that bonding glue and cause your tape ends to slide out. And with heat, you definitely want to be careful. You do not want to place it directly onto that bonding tape. The heat and the bonding tape can cause some damage to your hair as well, so just be careful with that. Keep any oils, creams, or any products or anything that you're going to do away from your scalp, especially while you have your install. It's better to do those things in between installation if you want to do any kind of greasing, oiling, or any type of thing like that to your scalp. And when you're placing product in your hair, you always want to place it either mid-length and down, and you can get it as close as you can to the root, but not exactly on your roots, especially in the areas where the tape ends are. This could cause slippage and you don't want to lose your tape ends. Getting any kind of these products, styling products and things in with the adhesive can cause the glue to loosen and can cause slippage, especially over time. So you just really want to be careful where you are applying and putting your styling products, gels, and different things in your hair when you have your installation in. Now, a great thing that I love about tape-ins is you can actually get to your scalp. So you can wash your hair with your tape-ins installed. You just need to make sure that you use a sulfate-free shampoo, and absolutely positively do not use any kind of heavy conditioners or things like that, especially on your roots or your scalp. You need to do that in between installations. Again, with removing your tape ends, you always want to follow whatever advice your manufacturer or your hair company is giving you concerning how to remove your tape ends. Never just pull them off or out of your hair. Doing this can cause irreparable damage to your natural hair. Always use an oil-based remover or some type of oil to remove your tape end extensions. It's best to both wash and condition your hair and tape ends at this time. This will help to keep your scalp and hair good and healthy, and also adding moisture and condition to your tape and extensions, also especially if it is human hair, really helps to give the hair the conditioning and the moisture that it needs as well. You can also apply your re-tape at this time so that your hair is ready for your next install. Store your hair nicely and try to keep all the hair together. Make sure that the hair is detangled before you store it. Tape ends are a beautiful way to get a natural look with more length and more volume in your hair. If you take proper care of your tape end hair extensions as well as your own hair, you can use them together to create beautiful looks time and time again. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. As always, remember, better care is better wear, and I hope to see you in the next one.